Hello, lovely humans. My name is Eliana from Go Eliana Go, and of course, my happy brain. So, this is my first episode about ruptured brain aneurysm about my fascia. So, this is really what I really feel because, to be honest, I have a team. I need help. To be honest, it's not easy for me to speak, read, listen, or even if I'm just going to call like a doctor, or even call like if I'm going to get some food, or even call maybe my banks. Because sometimes for me to write, like if someone's going to call me and then I need to write the number or the spelling, it's not easy. So now I want to give what I feel, and this is I want to read, and how can I read it and like write it. Aphasia means my brain knows what I want to communicate, but sometimes finding the words, understanding, reading, or writing takes more time. It can be one of the lasting effects of a brain injury after a ruptured brain aneurysm. So, of course, it's how I feel, my expression, how, yeah. If you see most of my social media, of course, I need to be more like scripted because, I want to be more understandable for myself too. But now I really want to post my real episode of what I read, listen, or even write. So, have a wonderful evening, everyone, and salamat. Good night.